Hello, I'm Bryan Otte with Otte Outdoors. About 4 years ago, I wanted to take my bow hunting to the next level. As an athlete, you always are looking for that edge. And for me, my arena is the mountains. In order to do that, you want to be lighter, faster, and stronger than anything else out there. Part of becoming the ultimate predator, if you will. First thing you do is you could approach it by diet. Going to a keto diet and transitioning my body to not fuel itself off carbs and sugar like the normal hunter, packing a bunch of protein bars and granola and chocolate. You know, that's all weight in the pack that isn't really gonna help you be fast and efficient. So if I could change my diet to fuel itself off fat, good, healthy fats, I'll be satiated longer, which is gonna help me go further and not need as much food. Water is extremely heavy. I rather pack water than food. One of the ways that I did that is I found the brand Kiss My Keto. And I got with Kiss My Keto because of their products. They are amazing ingredients, and unlike the competitors, they actually do what they say they're going to do. The main one for me was the MCT Oil, the C8 Brain Fuel. This, out of all the products, to me is the powerhouse. This whole thing is good, healthy fats that's gonna last hours in your system. It's gonna burn a lot slower and more efficiently. Another thing that I like to put in my pack, came out recently, would be the Keto Bars. These are money. You could even throw them in a Yeti and get them a little cold, iced down. And man, these just hit the spot. These are my favorite. I'm very partial to the cookie dough. Training for the mountains. My training consists mostly of running. I'm able to use these Keto Gummies right here for quick energy fuel, quick, healthy fat. Thing is all these are very low carbs. And actually keto was a gateway for me to actually go into the carnivore diet. And I could say today I'm 90% carnivore. That right there is where these came in, the game changer, the keto bone broth. This has your sodium in it. This has barely any carbohydrates in it. 3 grams of carbohydrates. Two is the lowest in the green curry chicken. 2 grams. This is good. You can put it in a jet boil real quick. Jet boil, get some water going, and drop one of these packets in there, and you're good to go for a quick snack. With Kiss My Keto, the most important thing about the brand is efficiency. When it comes to the products that you choose, you want to make sure that the products are going to work for you, and that's where Kiss My Keto really comes to play. The MCT oil alone is an amazing base, and then you add some butter to that, maybe a little coffee, make yourself a good healthy keto coffee, and sometimes that's all you need for the day. When it comes to weight loss, Kiss My Keto is the ultimate crutch. You can not worry about food and just worry about losing the weight, because the Kiss My Keto products are there to assist you. So when you don't have to spend the energy thinking about food all the time, you can enjoy your day a lot better and enjoy that training. That seems to be the ultimate step to get you into that keto mindset. The ketogenic diet is amazing for really getting over that plateau of weight loss. I use it as an athletic approach to get me to the next level to be successful in the mountains. And I will say over the last 4 years, it has paid off. Losing weight, I did actually lose about 25 pounds on keto and another 15 on carnivore. The beauty of the Kiss My Keto bone broth is, you know, say you go carnivore and you want to transition full carnivore, you go to have the bone broth and it honestly feels like a cheat meal, if you will, because you're going back to keto, but it's not a cheat meal. I mean, you're completely within range of being successful with your diet. Kiss My Keto has changed my life. It's given me such a foundation to make good decisions. And to me, that's what it's all about. So I do have a discount code for you guys. You can type in Ridge Reaper 20, and that's gonna give you guys 20% off at checkout. On all these products that I showed you today, you can go ahead and pick those up and try them out for yourself. Thank you very much for your time, and God bless.